Wake up, Saints. Alright, sorry, it's a little wobbly here. Alright, and that's the best it's going to get right now. Just right now until I get everything set up right now. Alright. I know it's all wobbly. I know my audience probably getting upset. There you go. Alright. So there's something that's been happening. That happened actually. There's a tsunami warning for Alaska. Yes, I said Alaska. There was about a 7.1 earthquake that actually happened in Alaska. There actually is footage on YouTube of the earthquake. Pretty large. There was actually taken at somebody's home. I'm going to go ahead and let that get that feed up right now. All right.
Earthquake there. 7.8 is what it was originally recorded as. I want to share with you this Twitter feed here that shows the camera. Of course, keep in mind the camera's on the wall, so naturally as the wall shakes, the camera's going to shake more so than the actual apartment here. But it's definitely shaking hard.
All right, as you can see, that was an earthquake in Alaska, pretty large, and I mean the lady was pretty scared, which I would have been scared too myself. I've been in one before. I used to live in California, and so it's pretty large. I mean, we're seeing numerous and numerous of earthquakes happening. It's coming from the Ring of Fire. I'm not sure if you guys ever heard of the Ring of Fire before, but if I can get that up for you guys, that'd be awesome, because then you guys can actually see what the Ring of Fire, what I mean. Just give me one moment here. I'm going to try to do this really fast. Fire. All right. Sorry about that. But here you go. About to show you guys the Ring of Fire, and the whole world needs to actually see this. So, as you can see, it starts from down here all the way around, and see, there's Alaska right there. Like I said, it's part of the Ring of Fire, and it comes all the way down into the Mexico, and then Africa, and it goes all the way down. That's where all the strings of the earthquakes, most of them happen, is in those regions, and they're more intense. As you can see, California is part of that, into that Ring of Fire. So that's where we get the intense earthquakes, and also San Francisco and Northridge into LA. So, as I said before, that 7.1 is just one of them that's just happened. Scientists are already warning California that there's a big one coming, bigger than the last one that came. The stress is building back up again in California. It ties into Revelation. There'll be earthquakes in diverse areas, and I mean earthquakes. I mean very big earthquakes. So I mean, if you got family members that are in those areas, I mean, this is the end times. I mean, if they're not right with God, help them. You know, tell them about the word, witness to them. You know, I mean, this is diverse times. This is times that we need to be, you know, getting as many people as we can and get them saved and tell them about the love of Jesus. All right. Oh, all right, saints. Have a good one. I hope I did better on this one because I try to hurry up and get in the Ring of Fire so you guys can actually see, because some of you guys don't know what the Ring of Fire. I learned about this about 2014, 2013 around there was when I learned about the Ring of Fire. Alright, saints, be blessed.